Veneer, also known as rotary cut veneer, is an important semi-finished product in the wood processing industry. It is commonly used to manufacture plywood, laminated boards, and many other wood-based materials. Veneer is created by peeling logs into thin sheets with thicknesses ranging from 0.3 mm to 3.6 mm, with the most common being 1.6 mm. The entire production process of veneer includes several basic stages: log preparation, debarking, soaking or steaming, peeling, trimming, drying, grading, jointing, and packaging. First, raw logs are selected from species such as acacia, eucalyptus, rubberwood, pine, or oak. After being harvested and transported to the factory, the logs are sorted by size and quality, then cut into billets of suitable length, most commonly 1.27 meters. Next, the billets are sent to a debarking machine to completely remove the outer bark. This step protects the peeling knife and ensures smoother veneer surfaces. After debarking, the logs are softened by soaking in water or steaming with hot vapor. Cold water soaking may take several days, while steaming at 80 to 100 degrees Celsius requires only 1 to 2 hours but delivers excellent results, making the logs easier to peel and producing smoother veneer surfaces. Once softened, the logs are fed into the veneer peeling machine. The machine rotates the log while a sharp knife continuously peels off thin layers, producing sheets with a width equal to the billet length. Veneer thickness is precisely adjusted according to requirements, with 1.6 mm being the most popular. After peeling, the remaining log core is reused for chipboard production or as fuel. The peeled veneer sheets often have uneven edges, warping, or cracks, so they are trimmed and cut into standard sizes, commonly 127 centimeters by 64 centimeters. At this stage, veneer still contains high moisture, around 40 to 60%, which must be reduced to 8 to 14%. While natural air drying is possible, it takes much longer and depends on weather conditions, so most factories use industrial dryers. Controlled drying ensures stable moisture content, faster processing, and flatter, stronger veneer. Once dried, veneer is graded by quality. Higher grades are used for surface layers, while lower grades are used for inner layers of plywood. Small or cracked sheets may be jointed by glue or thread stitching to maximize material utilization. Finally, veneer sheets are stacked, bundled, and stored, ready for sale or for further processing into multi-layer plywood, film-faced boards, or furniture components. Although the veneer production process consists of many steps, it is organized as a closed system that maximizes raw material use and reduces waste. Modern technologies such as CNC automatic peeling machines, energy-efficient dryers, and automatic jointing systems have significantly improved veneer quality, making it suitable for export to major markets such as the United States, Europe, and Japan. From log preparation, debarking, soaking and steaming, rotary peeling, trimming, drying, grading, to final packaging, each stage is closely linked and directly determines the quality of the finished product. Veneer is not only the core material of plywood but also widely used in furniture, interior decoration, and construction. The advancement of veneer production technology has played an important role in improving the efficiency of plantation wood utilization, reducing production costs, and meeting the growing demands of the global market.